So, if you want to revive a banana, what we can see, it's the resistor. We are in 20 mega ohms, which is a lot. And you see the resistance keeps increasing from, look, we have an infinite resistance, but if I plug into the banana, you can if I plug it, maybe because it was plugged in too far. If we plug it near, yeah, oh, did you see? The skin of the banana is highly conductive. Look, I have direct maybe if I go in continuity mode, I will hear something. We are the banana, she look, no, yeah, I saw maybe some resistance for the banana. Maybe if I go to high voltage, yeah, you see, there is something to read. Yeah, it's nothing to see because it's voltage and we are not in alternative current, so we must have just, maybe you can try the resistance. Yeah, it's too bad because we had the value before. And oh, maybe it may be the sign that there is a kind of electricity inside the banana, and the electricity keeps decreasing. You see, we went from 200 millivolts, and we have see, the voltage capacity keeps increasing. It means clearly that yeah, clearly the oh yeah, we get off the limits. Maybe we can go. Oh, look, it still goes up. Yeah, oh yeah. No, we are to 0.213 volts. That's if it means maybe if you put some bananas in, yeah, not in parallel. You keep yeah, it keep it, yeah. Maybe you can, so you can, if you have a bunch of bananas, maybe you can produce some good electricity. You see? We are going up. I'm sure at the end of the day, we will be around 1 volt. It means if you have, maybe you have 5 bananas, you get 5 volts, and you can power up something with a banana, you see. But I wanted also to check if there is a resistance of the banana, and I if I go into ohmic mode with the multimeter, there is gain value, yeah. No, nothing happens, but yeah. Obviously, when you take the multimeter, the first thing you need to do is to test the continuity. The continuity doesn't work in the banana, so you just you make the beep, and well, yeah. But the ones to the banana, you must not waste the food. So after you take the batteries, you can eat bananas. But I am very amazed to see and pleased, very pleased to see. Look, it still goes. Yeah, the voltage value is it's going down. So we have no 0.27, yeah, volt. Ja, dat is niet zoveel. Zo, ja, misschien that may be the reason why it is not such a good. Wait. Oh well, I must stop now because there are other people, and then I don't feel like yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Can you see? It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I can see. Look myself. Stalk myself. If I lock myself, yeah, I'm allowed. I went on for the egg, but no, the problem is I have not entered the hole. I must pass through, find the people. Is the people is yeah, the people here. Yeah. Catch me. Uneasily go up the stairs. The people. People. The people is waiting for me. There is a coffin. A coffin. Yeah. I have to wait for. No, no, no. There will be no eggs today. No eggs today.